all he was waiting for. Si Jeff Chan, he's got 9 points in the game.
First field goal para dito kay Jeff Chan. His first 6 points from the free throw line. What a time for it to come. Hildebrand to LA. Paano babawi ang Ginebra? Tenorio for 3. Oh,
yes! Mahirap na tira yun. That was under pressure. But L.A Tenorio responding. Yung sinabi natin kanina, the challenge on his shoulders. The responsibility that he has.
17 puntos na para kay Teniente. Here's Chan once again. Pedaling his way to the right side. Clean as a whistle on that jumper. 11 puntos para dito kay Jeff. Balik sa 5 ang abante ng Rain or Shine. Less than 2.5 remaining sa ating Super Bowl Sunday. Ellis to Wilson. They swing it to JJ. Bang! Umuulan ang tres dito sa loob ng Big Dome.
The way that ball moved around. Yun ang sinasabi natin kanina. Parang Ginebra didn't make those extra passes kanina. They weren't passing the ball around. Now they're getting different people to hold, to have the touches.
2-minute warning glaring. JJ to Ellis on the run. Puts it up. May kasama pang foul.
What body control. Air Force Ellis making sure of that layup. The pass coming from JJ Hildebrand. Nagkakagulo na dito sa Araneta Coliseum.
And after being down by as much as 18 points, may pagkakataon si Ellis bigay sa Ginebra ang kauna-una ang tingin nila ng kalamangan. Ellis completes it. Barangay Ginebra 89, Rain or Shine 88. First taste of the lead for the Red Shirts. Less than 2 minutes remaining. Norwood, Luquinyahan. Kasama nila sina Rodriguez, Chu, and Chan. Chris on the move, back out. JR has 5 to work with now. Tapikot pa ni Tenorio. Here comes Barangay Ginebra. Long pass to Ellis. Nilumalap ng ring.
Oh, what a pass coming from L.A Tenorio. Now Ginebra must play tough defense on the other end without giving up the foul.
Chu to Chan. And Jeffrey Allen will settle things down as Rain or Shine looks to reclaim the lead. Chu for a 3. No! JJ tracks it down, saves it to Mamaril. And Barangay Ginebra will sue for time with exactly a minute to go in this game.
A smart move there by Billy Mamaril. Seconds were ticking. They were still way back in their backcourt. Wide open shot for Chris Chu na hindi pumasok.
Full timeout requested here by Ginebra. Lamang sila ng isa. And the Ginebra mystique, the never say die spirit, has definitely kicked into full throttle inside the Big Dome tonight. Down by as much as 18 points. Barangay Ginebra is now sitting on a 1-point lead with exactly a minute to go. 89, 88. Can you believe what we are witnessing here, Ganito?
Well, that shot by Chris Ellis was just unbelievable. At kanina nakita natin he missed on that attempted alley-oop ni L.A Tenorio. Tenorio's making things happen without a doubt.
Barangay Ginebra doing this without the reigning MVP, Mark Nagiwa. Tenorio looking for Wilson. Willie nowhere to go, but is fouled by Rain or Shine. And the veteran will be trooping to the line for 2 shots.
Coach Shot Duncanson still sticking with L.A Tenorio and JJ Hildebrand in the backcourt with Ellis playing the 3 spots. That was the foul. Willie Wilson now at the line, looking for a little bit of separation. As you see Congressman Henry Juanco watching from the 1st District of Tarlac.
Willie Wilson can stretch this lead to 3. Does so with that free throw. Rain or Shine not calling a timeout. Tatlo pa ang pwede nila. They are down by 3 points. Chan kontra Hildebrand. Bibigyan ng pick ni Rodriguez. Wilson switching out on Jeff. Jeffrey Allen lobs it. Tumama sa board. Hildebrand with the leather. Pushing it hard. Tenorio at the baseline in trouble. And the referees will review that last piece of action para malaman kung kanino ang possession.
Jeffrey Chan electing to pass the ball instead of going for the basket kanina. Was not a good pass. Nakuha ng Barangay Ginebra. Well, what a way to play defense towards the stretch. Si Chris Chu nasa loob po ng court.
Eto, tignan natin kung kanino nga ba dapat ang possession dito with exactly 20.5 remaining on the clock. Yun.
That was off Chris Chu.
Chris Chu did touch it last, slapping it out of bounds. So Barangay Ginebra will retain possession. 0.5 lang ang diferensya ng shot clock at game clock. Rain or shine will have to foul if they can't come up with a steal.
Oh, without a doubt. They have to foul. And for Barangay Ginebra, just one more free throw will give them a 2-possession game. Almost a steal.
Wilson back to Tenorio.
They
Rain
have
or
to foul.
shine.
Got a foul.
At ang dami pang oras ang naubos nila. Because if LA can make at least one of these 2 free throws, that's a 2-possession lead para sa Ginebra.
Coaching staff ng Barangay Ginebra nakuha din dito sa tiyaga sa kanilang pagbabalik. And you take a look at the advantage of Barangay Ginebra off the boards. 58 rebounds is against 50. But what about the offensive rebounding? 19-9 in terms of offensive rebounding and second chance points. 20 for Barangay Ginebra and only 7 for Rain or Shine. You talk about hustle and concentration, dominating and controlling the boards.
L.A Tenorio has made it a 5-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra. What a turnaround here in the fourth quarter for the Red Shirts. Down by 18 in the first half, down by double digits most of the way here in the second half, pero never giving up itong Barangay Ginebra, and they are looking poised now to pick up their 6th win.
At kanina, natanong natin kung ito bang Rain or Shine is now the PBA's new comeback kings.
Sabi ng Ginebra, teka lang, titulo namin yan.
Never say die ang Barangay Ginebra.
Rain or Shine has had their moments in the last couple of seasons, pero itong Barangay Ginebra talagang never giving up as they come up with this Prestone defensive stop.
Pero
Atid sa inyo ng Prestone Brake Fluid for superior braking action and safety. Siguradong nasa mabuti kang kamay.
again, you gotta give credit to Coach Shaw Tankinson. Yung pagpili niya kay Willie Wilson, brought him in to play defense against Jeff Chan. And in that particular sequence, nakita natin Wilson stopping Jeff Chan from trying to go for the basket, forcing him to make the pass, at nakuha ng Barangay Ginebra yung pasa na yun,
Rain or
causing the
Shine
turnover.
will have to go for the quick basket here. Kinyahan does just that and then try and go for the steal, and they foul if they don't get it. Kinuha muna nila ang kanilang delay of game, at ang nakalimutan nila, meron na silang warning kanina.
That delay of game is going to cost them now with another point. And again,
L.A Tenorio once again is at the line.
and just one shot here will give them a 2-possession game with 14.2 seconds to go. That's going to be big. That's a big one. And now,
Barangay Ginebra
Raiders,
will retain possession. Coach Yang on the sidelines.
they'll want to give up the foul as soon as possible. 14.2 seconds. And for Barangay Ginebra, they want the ball in the hands of L.A Tenorio. Or Mark Kagiwa.
Kagiwa is fouled in the backcourt. Mark the Spark, 17 points in total for this contest, pero none as of late. Dahil nag-take over itong si Tenorio at yung rookie na si Ellis, pati si Willie Wilson. Ang ganda na nilaro dito sa dulo.
I thought yung combination din ni Helterbrand at saka si L.A Tenorio. What a combination that was. And in that combination, si J.J. Helterbrand naglaro ng point guard. Nakita nga natin kanina, no? Hinahanap kasi L.A Tenorio. Tenorio was able to hit a 3-point shot, all the pass coming from J.J. Helterbrand. And Helterbrand in this game with 5 assists, 7 rebounds, 6 points. It's a complete game.
Mark the Spark misses the second. 95-90 na sa ating talaan. Jeff Chan looking for a three. Couldn't get that one, and that'll do it. Barangay Ginebra, their streak continues. Ellis with the exclamation point here at the Big Dome.
Oh, what a reverse. A Samajama by Air Force Ellis at the buzzer. I think that's gonna count. It should count.
Kahit hindi counted,
Unbelievable ending.
kahit hindi counted, i-counted na dapat. Ang ganda eh. Windmill reverse para dito kay Ellis. good. Para
watch
dito
it
kay
right
Chris
here.
Ellis.
On the reverse. A little bit of a clutch play at the Air Force. Alex, tagpakita!
97-90 is your final score. Patuloy ang piyesta sa barangay as they are now over 500. Nagsimula ang kanilang torneo 2-0, lost 5 straight, and now they are at 6-5, winning their last 3. What a ball game coming back from 18 points down. At ang naging bida, isa dyan, ang ating best player of the game. Walang iba kundi si Teniente L.A Tenorio. L.A, nababansagan ngayon na itong rain or shine. As of late, sila nagiging parang comeback kings dito sa PBA. Binawi nyo lang ba yung corona ng Ginebra?
Actually, yun nga yung nakakatakot sa rain or shine eh. We watched the game nung Wednesday. Talagang nakakatakot. 26 down. They kept their poise. Talagang, yun lang. Kaya coming to this game, talagang kailangan yung mindset namin talagang we have to play 48 minutes against this team kasi hindi talaga bibitaw itong team na to.
LA, very slow start para sa Ginebra. At para sa iyo din, nung first quarter, hindi ka naka-score. But towards the end, maganda yung combination nyo with JJ Hildebrand in the backcourt.
Actually, yun na nga yun yung naging adjustment namin after the 5-game losing streak. Actually, talagang buti, nakuha namin yung combination na yun, yung 3-guard combination. Ako, si Mark at saka si JJ. Hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy yung magandang nilalaro ng bawat isa sa amin kahit hindi lahat. Basta magtulungan lang defensively, will be okay.
A big double-W for you, LA. 20 points, 10 assists. Meron pa kayong tatlong larong natitira sa elimination round. Starting with Air 21 sa November 30. Pagkakataon mong imbitahan ang lahat ng iyong kabarangay.
Sa lahat ng mga taga-barangay Ginebra fans, maraming salamat sa suporta nyo, sa walang sawang pagsuporta nyo sa amin. Sana magkita-kita tayo sa lahat ng mga games, hindi lang sa next game, kundi sa susunod na mga games. Binabati ko rin yung mga taga-Batangas, yung taga-Nasugbu Batangas, and sa wife ko and to my baby Sandy. Yeah.
Congratulations once again, LA, at congratulations sa buong barangay Ginebra. Sa ngalan ni Dadine Kenito Enzo, ng courtside reporter natin si Erica Padilla at sa ating producer na si Koyo Bangko, together with our director, Direk Dong Kapinpoyan, stand by for the Active Center. Mag-umarjan po, nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat. This has been a Sports 5 production of the PBA on Active.